Hi all, let's talk about October 2021 update on the cloud certification. We are going to cover all three major cloud providers. We start with new certification updates, available discounts, and upcoming changes. Let's start with new certifications update. In AWS, there is a brand new certification which is SAP on AWS Specialty. The exam for that is PASC01 Beta. So first day to register for that beta exam is October 26th, and first day to start taking that exam is November 22nd. Standard exam going to be available in Q2 2022. For all these certifications, how to avail beta discount we are going to cover in our discount section. This is a good certification if you are working on SAP and AWS. On the Google Cloud side, there are three new professional certifications released. All three are in beta. Professional Cloud Network Engineer, Professional Collaboration Engineer, and Cloud Security Engineers beta. How to get that beta discount, again we are going to cover in our discount section next. On the Azure side, there are quite a few changes happening. There is a new exam introduced, AZ305, under Azure Solution Architect Expert Certification. This exam is in beta. Official learning path for that is not yet released. Beta exam going to be available in November 16th. How this will affect if you are already preparing for AZ303 and 304, how the path changes, and also about beta, how to get beta code. More details on this is coming up in next section. Also, we had a new certification started last month, Team Support Engineer Associate, with the exam MS 740, Troubleshooting Microsoft Team. There was a beta exam released. The beta exam code was shared on this channel. Currently, this exam is on hold. Microsoft official learning path is released. So even though this exam is on hold, you can still prepare for this exam as the learning path is available, so that whenever it comes back, you can quickly take that exam. And there is another interesting certification was introduced by Azure. This is Network Engineer Associate. It's AZ700, Designing and Implementing Microsoft Azure Network Solutions. So this is currently out of beta. It was the beta exam was introduced around 2 months back. It is currently out of beta. The regular exam is now available. Also, Microsoft official learning path is also now available. So you can start taking this certification as a regular exam if you are interested. So on Microsoft Windows side, there is a Server Hybrid Administrator Associate certification recently introduced. This is good if you are administrating and implementing hybrid core infrastructure. There are two exams for that, AZ800 and AZ801. The beta exam going to be available in December 2021. Official learning is not yet available. I have covered this in another video how you can start preparing for it, and also we are going to release more details whenever beta exam is available. So stay tuned. If you are not subscribed, subscribe to this channel to stay up to date. And on the Microsoft 365 side, there is a Team Voice Engineer Expert certification released. It's pretty recent certification with the exam code MS720, Microsoft Team Voice Engineer. Microsoft official learning path is not available yet. Since this is an active beta exam, there is 80% discount available as we speak, which I'm going to cover in next section. So if you're interested, you can take benefit of it. And on Dynamic 365 Commercial Function Consultant Associate, there was a recent exam introduced, MB340, which was in beta. Now it came out of beta. So if you're interested in this one, you can just go ahead and take the regular exam. Microsoft official learning path is available, so you should be able to prepare easily. So next, let's talk about available discount options. On AWS side, we have AWS Solution Architect Challenge going on, where you can get 50% discount on AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification. To do that, the time is limited. You need to sign up the challenge by October 15th, and then you need to request 50% discount voucher code by October 20th. And take the exam by December 3rd. I'm going to put all the links in description for whatever we talked today. So if you're interested, you still have some time to get benefit of this. And as we discussed earlier, AWS has a new certification, SAP on AWS. As this is in beta, 50% discount you can avail. There is no code needed. You can just go ahead and register it. You can registration start from October 26th, and you can start taking exam from 11/22 to Jan 11. Available discount options for Google. Google is giving 50% off as student discount for Azure Cloud Engineering certification. So if you're a student, you can take benefit of this. Also, as we mentioned earlier, there are 3 new professional certificates. All three are in beta, and there is 40% beta discount available. No code needed. You can just go and register for this exam and it will automatically apply 50% discount. And Google just started a new initiative called Google Cloud Skills Boost. With this, they are giving first month free access to all Google Cloud training on Coursera. So let me show you that. So I'll put this link in description. You need to click on claim now. It is going to give you this exclusive training offer on 1 month free access to all Google Cloud training until November 6th. So you just need to provide your basic details and you will get an email to get started under Google Cloud Skills Boost. So this is giving all Google Cloud training content on Coursera, including all Google courses, specialization, professional certification. This is a pretty good initiative to get free training. Moving on, available discount option for Microsoft. As we mentioned, Microsoft has a new certification, Team Voice Engineering Expert. Exam code is MS720. Microsoft is giving 80% discount for first 300 people who registered before November 2nd. And the beta code is MS720 LM Hiker. I'm going to put this in description, no worries. And this is not available in some countries I have mentioned. And as you would be aware by now, we have been covering this Microsoft Cloud Skill Challenge is going on, where you need to complete a learning journey within 30 days of sign up. And you get 50% discount on this listed certification. This offer is available till December 31st and not available in some of the location listed here. Then we have Microsoft free fundamental certifications, AZ900, AI900, PL900, EP900, which are 100% free. To receive this, you need to get a free online training from Microsoft. After the free online training, you get free voucher to apply for these free exams and certifications. More details in the link. I have a dedicated video also on this one. And also Microsoft and Azure are giving student discount, up to 45% discount through academic verifications. There are a lot of time people think, hey, I don't have a @edu email. So this is not mandatory. As long as you can show that you are a student by any kind of document, whether it is an attendance sheet or it could be a scorecard. There are a lot of options. So you can get this 45% discount. I have more details covered in a video. I'm going to put link for that in description. And as and when more discounts are available, be sure that will be posted on this channel. So definitely consider subscribing to stay up to date. Now let's talk about upcoming changes. There is a big change coming in Azure Solution Architect certification. So the requirement is changing from two certification exam, AZ303 and AZ304, which are going to expire. And the new requirement will be AZ104, which is an existing exam which provides Azure Administrator Associate certification, plus a new exam which is AZ305. So this is a good move because now you can get two certification, Associate and Expert, with two exams, AZ104 and 305, which earlier you used to do three certification, AZ104 for Associate and 303 plus 304 for Architect. Since there is a lot of overlap in AZ104 and AZ303, that's why Microsoft is taking this move. There are important dates if you are already preparing for this and all, which I'm going to cover next. And why Microsoft is making change, as I mentioned, there is a lot of overlap, and also they want to have someone take associate certification first before taking expert certification, like they do for other certifications. Now let's talk about, if you're already preparing for Azure Solution Architect Expert, how it affects you. So AZ305 beta starts from November 16, 2021. So that means before that, if you need to get architect certification, you need to continue doing AZ303 and 304. And this 303 and 304 expires on March 31st. So here is the deal. Between November 16th and March 31st, you have three options to do this architect expert certification. You can continue doing 303 and 304, or if you are done with 303, you can take 305 instead of 304, and you will get beta discount also for that because it will be in beta at that time. Or if you are already have done AZ104, which is a new path, then according to new path, you can take AZ305. So based upon where you are currently, you can take one of three options. So for example, if AZ303 is already done, you have two options, 304 or 305. At the same time, if you have AZ-104 is done, now you don't need to take 2 exams. You need to wait for the beta exam to be available, which is November 16th, and then just do AZ-305. You will gain Architect Expert certification. And after March 31st, we will be on the new path, which is AZ-104 plus AZ-305. And by the way, if you have done AZ-303 and you are not able to do other certification till March 31st, after March 31st, you can just do AZ-305 also, but provided AZ-303 is already done. Now, there are a lot of combinations around this. If you have any question on this, feel free to put a comment and I will answer that. And we have covered all the topics we wanted to cover today. New certification, available discount, upcoming changes. If you like the content, hit like, share and subscribe so that others can also take benefit. See you in next video. Good luck. Thank you.